5 habits to incorporate into your mornings. In this tutorial, I'm going to give you about 5 habits to incorporate into your mornings. When some people think of morning routines, they think of unnecessary chores that take up too much time to realistically fit in the morning. On the contrary, morning routines can be as simple as small habits that make a big difference on your day. Let's take a look at my favorite morning habits. 1. Don't rush. Mornings, especially if you have children or a busy day ahead, are chaotic. Even though chaotic mornings are guaranteed every once in a while, you should make a commitment to yourself to not rush on most mornings. Simply by taking your time and preparing in advance, your mornings will be much more enjoyable and less stressful. When your mornings go by more smoothly, the rest of your day does as well. In other words, you don't start on a stressful note. As a result, the first habit to incorporate into your morning is to not rush. Rushing will only hurt you, your family, and your mornings. Something as simple as waking up 10 minutes earlier can help you take on your mornings in a much more relaxed fashion. 2. Put down the phone. The second habit to incorporate into your mornings is putting down the phone. Many experts recommend being device-free the first hour you're awake. Given that so much of our society is connected through our phones, this habit can be a tough one to break in. But it is so important to your well-being. Instead of using your phone as your wake-up call, invest in an actual alarm clock. This will force you to get up and discourage you from scrolling through Instagram. You can also try setting Do Not Disturb or time limits on your phone so that your apps and notifications don't show up until the morning is done. If you find being device-free for 1 hour too difficult at first, start small and slowly work your way up to an hour or longer. 3. Be grateful. Being grateful can truly transform your outlook on life. Incorporate gratefulness into your everyday morning routine to start your day on a much more optimistic note. Being grateful can take as little as 30 seconds in the morning, but have a lasting impact on your day. I recommend having a small journal next to your bed. After you turn off your alarm, immediately jot down 3 things you're grateful for. This will take very little time, but this habit will make a big difference on your day and well-being. You can also add more than 3 things if you're feeling especially grateful one morning. 4. Open blinds. Our bodies have a natural circadian rhythm that is primarily connected with the sun. As soon as you wake up, try to open some blinds. This simple activity will wake you up much more quickly and energize your day. Not to mention, opening blinds and sunlight is a great way to feel happier and more content in your life, even when things are a bit tough. 5. Make your bed. Finally, the last habit to incorporate into your morning is making your bed. One of the best ways to have a productive day is to have a productive morning. Making your bed tells you that your day is started and kicks your productivity in gear. Make your bed every morning for a productive day.